I'm not stepping out the car. I haven't did anything wrong. Nothing.
Get out of the car.
I'm not stepping out the car.
Legally, you're supposed to get out of the car.
I don't have to get out the car. I haven't did anything wrong. I know my rights. Now, if you pulling me over for traffic, by all means, I don't have a problem with that. I want to watch commanders or a sergeant on scene because I haven't did anything wrong. I know my rights. I haven't did anything wrong. If you're pulling me over for traffic, let's talk about it. Period. I ain't did anything wrong. You're not going to harass me and my son because we haven't did anything wrong. I don't even know why you pulled me over in the first beginning because we didn't run the red light and we were not driving fast. And this is not a criminal stop.
You didn't say it's a criminal stop.
It's not a criminal stop. This is a traffic stop, and you're not going to treat me like I'm a criminal. That's what's not going to happen. Now, I asked for a watch commander or sergeant on scene because you are overstepping your powers, and I'm not getting put in no handcuffs, and you're not going to treat me like a criminal. That's what's not going to happen.
Step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out. I already said that. I said it once, and I'm saying it again. I have rights. You have no reason to ask me to step out the car. If it's a traffic violation, please let's get it over. Write me a ticket, but stepping out the car is not an option.
I can't write you a ticket if you don't step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out of the car. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not getting out. I don't have no reason to step out the car. I haven't did anything wrong. I know my rights. I haven't did anything wrong. I'm not on probation. I'm not on parole. I want a watch commander or sergeant on scene.
Okay, you got his way.
Like I said, I'm asking, and I have somebody on the phone, which is my attorney, and definitely I'm videotaping everything. So I'm asking you completely, and it's being sent on web. So I'm asking you completely, can I get a watch commander or a sergeant on scene? I have no reason to step out the car. You have no reason to harass me and my son. We haven't did anything wrong. If it's a traffic violation, I'll give you my license, registration. He has that. If you want to talk about it, fine. If you're in fear, you shouldn't be doing your job. We ain't did anything wrong, and you're not going to harass me, and I'm not getting put in any handcuffs. I haven't did anything wrong. This is a traffic violation. You're not going to treat me like a criminal.
You didn't say you're a criminal.
Watch commander or sergeant. That's all I'm asking for. I don't want any problems. I'm not trying to cause any problems, but I'm not going to let you harass me like a criminal. I'm not doing it. I'm not getting put in handcuffs. I'm a grown man. I'm 40-something years old, and I haven't did anything wrong. I haven't disrespected you, and I don't want you to disrespect me.
Disrespected you either. All I'm asking you is for you simply step out of the car.
I'm not for what? What is the reason for me to step out the car? What reason? What are you pulling me over for? First tell me that. What am I being pulled over for? Well, definitely. Let's wait till your supervisor get here. We'll talk. I don't even want to talk anymore. I want a watch commander or sergeant on scene. I'm not stepping out the car. I don't have to step out the car. I want a watch commander or sergeant on scene. I have no reason to step out my car. No reason. This is a traffic stop. You have no criminal, nothing on me. I haven't did anything criminal at all. And I'm not going to be treated like a criminal. You have your partner there. My hands are up. You can see my hands. I haven't did anything wrong. I got my hands up. I ain't did anything wrong. I have no weapons. I have no threat to you at all. I'm a taxpayer, and I'm not on probation. I'm not on parole. Neither is my son. I'm not stepping out the car. I have no reason to. You got to give me a reason why. Well, I'm not going to talk to you until you step to the car. I haven't did anything wrong. What are you pulling me over for? I'm waiting for a watch commander. Do you have one coming? Because I don't have no reason to talk to you, ma'am. No reason, ma'am. No reason to talk to you whatsoever, ma'am. You can't give me a reason why you pull me over. I can't give you a reason to get out the car. I'm not on a criminal file. I haven't did anything. I'm not a traffic violation. I don't have to step out the car. Give me a reason why. What am I stepping out the car for? You're not digging in my pocket. You're not searching me. I know my rights. You are violating my rights.
Listen very carefully. You need to step out of the car because we can't see you through your back window, and there's case law. That's why we're telling you to do it. So you're
For what?
This thing a lot worse.
You said what?
I can't see through your back window. There's case law that says you have to step out of your car.
Case law to say no, it's a case law that you can write me a ticket. My windows are down. You can clearly see me because I can clearly see you.
Well, the day driver, you're getting your car impounded.
You can't impound no car for no tinted windows, dude. What are you talking about? Look, I'm gonna step out this car. I ain't with no handcuffs and I ain't doing none of that. You don't have to pull no guns on me because I haven't did nothing. I'm asking for a watch commander or a sergeant. You pull me up for a traffic violation, there's no reason for y'all to have all this. This is my son, he's 19 years old and we haven't did anything wrong. Period. No, stand right here on the curb. You haven't did anything wrong. I don't even know why she pulled me over because we were just driving.
Okay, if you'll just hold on for a second, I'll explain to you. We just pulled him over because he was driving.
Like I said, I don't even know why I'm stepping out the car for. That if you pulled him over because he was driving. For what, tinted windows?
Yep.
What, this is some, because I know you don't do this in Beverly Hills.
Because your brake lights.
So what, because you in the ghetto, this how you treat people?
No, I can't see.
Because we didn't do anything wrong. He's a 19-year-old child.
Okay, all right. That's fine. But we're stopping him, okay?
Okay, but I'm saying
didn't
you
say
for
you
what?
did.
I'm
Okay?
asking you a simple
I'm not
question.
going to talk
for
to you
what?
if you're sitting
For
in the
what?
car because I can't see who's inside the car and it's unsafe for me to approach.
Like I said, I haven't did anything
Okay?
wrong, man. I haven't did anything wrong, and I haven't disrespected you, and I haven't disrespected you. So you can stop approaching me like you're about to grab me because I haven't done anything wrong.
I'm not gonna grab
I'm
you.
not on probation. I'm not on parole. I haven't did anything wrong. I'm a citizen. I pay taxes just like everybody else.
The brake light is out.
Okay?
The middle brake light is out, which is a violation.
No, it's brake lights work. So if you want to write him a ticket by all means,
I'll
feel
write him a
free.
ticket.
Well, feel free. You'll
right.
go to court.
Are you on probation,
Okay?
sir?
No, I'm not on probation. I already stated that.
And you're not on parole?
No, I'm not on parole. I'm a taxpayer citizen. Matter of fact, I'm an IT person that works for a hospital. And so is my son. We haven't did anything wrong. We're not thugs. We're not out here doing anything wrong. I don't want any problems. You don't want any problems. You want to write him a ticket, by all means, feel free.
Is this car registered to you or to him?
No, it's registered to his mom. That's his car. Registered to his mom.
What's his name?
His name is Armani Shaw.
What is it?
Armani Shaw.
Hey, where's your registration and insurance? It's right here. All right. Just I'll grab it.
We'll grab it. Just stay over here. No, thanks. Okay, so it's there's no stipulations on it, right? That's suspended. We're gonna just verify you have a driver's license with the officers.
Is this your car? It's registered to your name?
It's actually my mother's.
Your mom. Okay. And your license is valid and all that?
Sure.
And you have insurance?
I'm Sergeant Ware.
Yes.
Under your
I'm
name?
their supervisor.
Under my
And I heard some of this because I came up a little late, but I got here right as you guys were stepping out of the car. The officers do have the right to pull you out of the vehicle at any time.
Sir, but
And I
just-
even tell them at night that's what I want them to do for their safety.
Well, like I said, sir, this is only in this neighborhood. And like I said, for me, I just feel like if I was in Beverly Hills, anywhere else, I don't see what's going on nowhere. But it's just
You
you
know,
stereotype
I mean-
automatically because you're black. And
Well,
you know, and that's how I feel. Because honestly, it's a traffic stop. There's no reason for you to step out your car for a traffic stop. So I posed no threat, and neither did my son pose any threat. We pulled immediately over when he put the lights on us. We didn't have any problems. That's why you have a partner. One partner stand down, the other partner walks up to the car, make sure everything is safe. Y'all have guns, we have none. And I have no reason in harming none of your officers because the simple fact of it is I have a life.
See, hold on now. My officers don't know you don't have a gun. They don't know you're a good guy. They don't know your son's all nice and good. They don't know any of these things. They know it's dark at night. They're doing a traffic stop. And especially when they ask you to step out, you don't. Now they're going, whoa, what's going on here? Until we get to know you, we don't know anything.
Yeah,
You
but
see
I'm-
what I mean? So, but now, are you in handcuffs?
No,
Are
I'm not in
you getting
handcuffs, but I
jacked
had,
up?
you know what?
Because once
I
we
just
realize,
feel like
oh, they're
this.
normal
I just feel
folks.
like this, sir. No disrespect to you. If I had not went and called you out, I believe I would have been in handcuffs. Because as your officers came up, they pulled up with their doors, jumped out aggressively like they were on a criminal stop. We're not doing a criminal stop, we're just doing a traffic stop.
But they don't
matter
know
of fact,
that.
we were in the house.
They don't know
We
that.
just got off from work, he got off from work, I got off from work. I just going down the street to get us something to eat, going back home. I have no reason to harm your officers, period at all.
And that's all they need to find out. Once they find that out, you're good folks, we're out of here. You know what I mean? But this is the job that they do. This is what I tell them to do. This is what not only state law, but the Supreme Court says we can do. So I get what you're saying. And if you were in my shoes, actually, if you were in their shoes, right, and you're in Beverly Hills, you're likely not getting as violent crime neighborhood to approach on. Guys get hurt down here. I know you know that.
Yeah, I understand that, but I'm saying it's just out of assumption because what you see. And then everybody's getting treated like a criminal because I'd have been pulled out my car and put in handcuffs and all that type of stuff. And I just feel that humiliating, degrading. Because honestly, I have a job, and I can prove that. I have a job. I work for Kaiser. I am an IT personnel in Kaiser. My son, he works for DirecTV. He's an IT personnel in DirecTV. We pose no threat, and period at all. You don't want any problems. We don't cause any problems. But like I said, I have been really harassed by the police unnecessarily.
Were you harassed tonight?
No, I wasn't harassed tonight because you came. Now, before you came, if I would have got out the car, I don't know what would have took place.
My guys called me.
You know what I'm saying?
My guys called me. They wanted me here.
No, I told them to call you.
I want to give you my business card.
Okay.
What's your name, sir?
My name's Anthony.
You know what? I get what you're saying. I do. But all I can ask is that you give a little bit of understanding from their perspective too. And we are within their legal rights to do what they're doing.
But I'm saying you guys are guys are with the guns. And you guys have plenty of backup. As you can see, y'all all are here. Plus undercover officers are here.
But we don't know that. We don't know you and your son are the good folks that you are until we make that contact with you. It could be, you know, especially that back window's really dark. It could be anybody in this car. And until we make that contact, we don't know that. Once you step out and you're like, hey, I'm me. And you're like,
but I'm saying it's a traffic stop.
And then everybody just went, oh, okay, this is all this is. You see what I mean?
This is a traffic stop. If you come at everybody like they're a criminal, to me, I feel like a criminal. I'm being outside the car.
I want my guys to be safe. It's in hours of darkness. I want them to pull people out. We can do that. I don't want them to treat you with disrespect and things like that. And what I've seen, they haven't. But they have the right to pull you out of the vehicle. And I watched the officers. They saw you step out, then they saw your son step out, and I just saw them go, oh, just normal guys. But they didn't know that.
Like I say with me, I have you take it from y'all perspective and then take it from my perspective
I do.
also.
And
I live in this neighborhood and I pose no threat and none of that. I just circumstances, you know what I'm saying? Houses are very expensive to a certain person. You can live in LA. You know what I'm saying? So I have to live what's convenient for me, but I get harassed and get treated like I'm a criminal, and I haven't done anything
And I'm
wrong.
sorry you feel that way, because that is not our intent. We don't want that to be. We want to have a relationship with the people that we work for, and we work for you. And we do. And I'm sorry you feel that way, and I hope that starts to change as you understand where we're coming from, and then we understand more where you're coming from.
That's the only thing I don't want to do, because I have been treated and I have been harassed really bad, and I have been stereotyped when I haven't
we
even
don't
did
want that
anything wrong.
happening to him. He's a young man.
No.
So how can we work together and change that?
Okay.
You know what I mean? That's all I'm asking.
Because I just want my boys to understand what their rights or what they can do,
Very
what they can't do.
defensive of my kids
You know.
too. I hear you.
Because I try to raise my kids up right. I don't want, my kids, they go to job. He's been to school. He's graduated. He's doing what he's supposed to do. I respect him as a young man.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that. I really do. And, like I said, once you guys stepped out, I could just see my officers go home. They almost wanted to say, let's go. But, but until they know, I know where they're coming from, too, because I've done that for a lot of years.
I just don't want my kids to get harassed. So I told him before he left, I'm going to ride with him, because I know what type of neighbor he is.
On that business card's my number. I'm 40 Charles. I'm a Metropolitan Division Supervisor. Anything, give me a call.
Okay.
All right?
I'll definitely do that.
Like I said, I want that to change. That's our goal out here, okay? I don't want you to feel that way.
Okay, well, I'm just saying I have felt that way. I have got drug out the car and got slapped in the handcuffs before they even knew my name.
I know.
And that's not good.
And my guys will not do that.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying I have.
All right. What's your name, young man? Armani. Got a good dad. Cares about you. I understand where he's coming from, but we do have the legal right through the course of legal action to have you come out of the car. I even tell my guys to do that at night just to be safe, you know what I mean? So So we weren't trying to treat you guys any different than anybody else. We're just trying to do our job safely.